All right, we're here at 813 Vine Street, one of our latest projects, and we're about to finish this up in a few weeks or so. But as you can see, paint is up. We're going to be putting some finishing tiles up at the entryway, and it's coming out great. The crew is doing a phenomenal job. I'm just going to go ahead and take you on the outside, and we're going to go back in the inside, kind of take a look at the progress in terms of the interior, bathrooms, and also the kitchen and so forth. So as you can see, the crews are still working hard. We're going to be finishing up in a few weeks, like I'd mentioned, and things are coming along quite well. So this is the back entry, and to your right you're going to see our first bedroom, back bedroom, which can also be used as a den. And here's going to be another bathroom that we're thinking about adding here. As you can see, the flow of the back end is very seamless. It goes right into the kitchen. We've looked at refinishing the cabinets, put in new floors, repainted. So this was an entirely wonderful job by our crew. There's another bedroom here, quite sizable. So if you are a growing family or a starting young couple, this will be a great opportunity for you to step in and obviously live very close to downtown. You've got updated bathrooms, fresh tile, again, repaint. And look at this architecture here, very, very beautiful. And you've got these wonderful archways here. This could be considered your dining area or another family living area. This is going to be your front room, family area, living area, but as you can see, it's coming along quite nice. So if you were to come on through the entrance, flows to the left, it opens up great into a formal dining room or another living space, and then you'll see some bedrooms on the left-hand side, flows right into the kitchen, and also bathrooms and bedrooms to your left. So again, this is 813 Vine Street. It's going to be finished in a few weeks. If you guys are interested, feel free to give me a call, 408-203-2437, or visit our website at www.buydiscounthomes.today and sign up for our VIP buyers list. We're coming across opportunities all the time. Some are going to be off market, some are going to be on market, but they're definitely going to have some value add opportunities. So again, give us a call if you're interested in either occupying this for investment or occupying this for your own family. It's 408-203-2437, or visit our website at www.buydiscounthomes.today. Okay, thank you.